it's this side.
Yeah.
So I have to take a U-turn and go up the mountain. Hi guys, we are on the station. And
Yeah.
this episode is slightly a bit special, or slightly actually very special.
It's very special.
Okay. We wanted to share this with you guys because you have been one of the reasons, or you have guys have been the main reason for us to be able to achieve something like that. And that is our 100,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
And we were thinking, we received, we got our silver button. All
Yeah,
excited.
we did.
Yeah.
Finally.
Where do we open it?
For the kind attention of
Isn't it? It needs to be special because this is really special. This is not just special for us as well, this is special for all of you guys because you have been part of this journey right from day one, right from our subscriber number 1.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we wanted to share it at a special place, which is who we are all about. And what better than a railway station?
Exactly.
Isn't it? Shortleft Travels.
Let's travel to.
And the railway system connects the whole country.
It
So
does.
yeah, here we are standing on Calicut railway station on platform number 1. So I think before we unbox, let us do the traditional way, which is with a cup of chaya, isn't it? Has to be.
Yes.
Train number 12432 Nizamuddin Thiruvananthapuram Rajdhani Express will arrive shortly on platform number
A cup
1.
of chaya. I think that's the best way to unbox our first milestone,
Absolutely.
our silver button. Yeah, it's still kind of sinking in. It doesn't
It
feel
is.
real, believe me. It took a bit of time, but yeah, finally.
Daddy was skiing the whole place. I'm standing still.
Yep.
So we're getting some Nalu chayas. Is it? And yeah, and where's the button? Tell somebody take it out.
It's somewhere. It's on the bag somewhere. Thank you.
Drum rolls. There we go, guys. It's not been opened. It hasn't been touched as yet.
seal is still
it's
there.
still sealed.
Literally sealed.
I have asked for silver.
Literally sealed. Oh, we'll do it. Just.
I've got scissors in the bag.
Is it? Oh, we got scissors as well. Where's
There
it?
we go.
It's in this bag that I've got.
Which one?
It's in the bag I've got. Somewhere it's in the bag.
Somewhere.
Somewhere.
Okay, let them look for it.
Border security.
Border security.
How much?
Ma'am, we need to check your bag, please.
Sure, please go ahead and check the
Do you have
bag.
anything that you should not be carrying, as we are the airport's police?
Yes, I think I've got a small scissor in my bag. I
Sorry, we're
forgot
gonna
about
have
it.
to confiscate
Yes, because she
it.
did not declare it.
Yes, so I'm sorry.
You finding it? You found it?
Yeah, we found it.
Okay, let us move.
Wait,
One second, let us go sit
through
somewhere.
engineering.
Okay, we'll have to take the teas.
And
Okay,
this is the American Tourist Express.
Hold as much as I can.
I think I'll
It's pretty
wait.
hot actually because you'll have to take one. Mine is very hot on the. It's very hot.
Just get it like this one.
This is the
Come.
American
Be careful.
Tourist Express fueled by Pepsi.
The station is really full.
Is it full today?
We want to, yeah, it's
I think let's just walk down a little bit until we maybe can find a spot we can sit down. Dan kan ek ons so vashou. We'll find a spot somewhere.
And it looks like a few seats open.
We found a spot. We
So we
made
found-
a makeshift table thing here for us.
our American
Thanks to
tourist.
the American Tourist Express.
Yeah.
Now
There we
it's
go.
time.
Now it's time to
Right.
unbox.
Time.
Still feels unreal.
It
I think
does.
the light is hitting.
Yeah,
from
it
there.
is. I'm like,
Come this side. Yeah, because we want to make sure that the light is shining.
yes. Well,
Delicate procedure.
yes, just be careful because there's papers and stuff in there too, I think.
One second. Yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready? Whoa.
Is this all we got?
Yeah, that's a
A
letter.
letter from YouTube and
Don't take it out of the box.
Hello
yet.
there. Don't take it out. Okay, one thing else. Oh wow, I can see Liam's reflection in it.
Wow. Shortleft Travels. Way.
Also, 1 second, Liam.
Let us hold it.
I need to hold it so I can get the light to not shine on it. There. Look at that, people.
Oh. Amazing.
It is
Let me also
absolutely
hold it.
amazing.
Wow.
How
Wow.
cool.
Amazing. Amazing. What a feeling.
And Mareike also? I
What
think
a
everybody's
feeling.
held it but her.
Wow. it's like an emotional run all over
It
again.
is.
And how much to reach these 2 buttons?
Yes.
1 million? What's this one?
Guys, you all are the reason that we were able to achieve this.
Yes, absolutely.
From the very first subscriber, all of you, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for being there with us. you know, for helping us to improve, for helping us to get to where we are. And I'm sure we're going to have your help and your support to get to our next milestone, which is a million subscribers.
Which is this button.
Yes.
The next aim is the golden one.
Absolutely. So we are going to.
Even the train is agreeing.
So we are going
Just
to work
stop,
hard.
This guy
We are
just
going
came
to-
from Delhi.
We are going to work hard to make the good content.
Yes.
Keep your comments coming through. Keep your suggestions coming through. Your inputs. After all, we learn. Our thing is to just get better and to give you guys better content as we
Exactly.
move towards our next milestone, which is 1 million subscribers, guys. Thank you so much. It still doesn't feel real,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah, no, it
Wow,
doesn't.
Look at that. Hey.
I can't see it. All I see is papers.
Yeah, what's that? Look at that, guys. Thank you. Come. Steady.
I feel against my wall.
Wait. I'm also there somewhere.
Look at that.
Is it there?
Amazing. Guys, thank you so much, and hit that like and subscribe and notification bell and share it with your friends and family. And I'm sure you're going to help us to reach the next milestone, which is 1 million subscribers.
It is. One
We
second.
enjoy, we
One
love
second.
what we do, and your support goes a long way. Hit that
Thanks, short left.
and hit that subscribe button.
Yeah.
Wow.
So here is.
Our team.
1 second, you haven't done 1 second.
Oh wait. Sorry, I thought that you were a little bit faster.
1 second. Sorry.
We just said
I
delicate,
have an
but
idea.
No, put it inside. No.
No.
Just keep it like
Oh,
this.
just keep it like that. Put it back in the plastic.
For 2 seconds.
Yeah. It's quite you think that.
1 second.
Yeah,
Under
just
the
be
box.
careful.
In case if it slips out,
close the box.
it's hard work.
It is a lot of hard work. So to cherish it.
A lot of hard work, a lot of sweat, a lot of tears, a lot of
Yes.
happiness, a lot of memories, guys.
A lot of memories.
This is not just 100,000. This is not just a silver button for us. This is a bundle of a lot of memories that we have together as a family and with you guys, because you guys are also a part of the family.
Exactly.
A part of Shortleft Travels family.
Yes.
So now, let's take our very
That's
strong
my tea.
It's your tea? Okay, fine. 1 second.
Our very strong team.
Very, very strong
As
tea.
we cheers.
As we cheers.
Not on the button.
No, as long as it's not leaking. Yeah. As we
One second, where's Liam?
cheers to our
Button.
One second.
No, but the
So cheers.
and mission.
Mission million. Here we go.
Hold button next one.
yes.
Yes.
Cheers, guys, and thank you so much. Stay blessed, take care, and we'll catch you in the next adventure.
We will. Don't know where,
Don't know where, but we will
but
definitely.
somewhere. How's the
It's
tea?
delicious.
The tea feels really special.
I'm sure it is.
And
The train is agreeing once again.
this is the train that we went to in Delhi. We went to Delhi, yeah, last year.
It is.
Wow! And look at coincidence. Look at the train. It's the Rajdhani. The Rajdhani that does the longest journey.
Exactly.
Yeah, the longest
South to
journey.
north.
Yeah, from Trivandrum to all the way till Nizamuddin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So cheerios. our next adventures.
Wow. There we go, Rajdhani. What a way to open our, what a way to unbox our silver button that to in front of Rajdhani.
Exactly.